To my loyal subscriber, thank you so much for your unwavering support. 500 subscriber. Yes, you guys put me up there. I'm so elated to tell you thank you so much. Your subscription will never go unnoticed. Neither does your support. I thank you for the love you've shown. And I thank you for your support from the depths on the bottom of my heart. I can say thank you a million. Keep sharing. Keep subscribing. Keep on sharing my videos. My CNAs, my nurses, all on here, from near and from far, from east and from west, from north and from south, from east, northeast, south, southeast. I want to say a big thank you. 500 subscribers. Rejoice with me. Give thanks with me. Because without the man above, this wouldn't be possible. And as my motto, pray, perseverance, and possibilities that can get you over any hurdles there is. I believe in the power of prayer. Open up to God as a friend. Today, I was looking into something. How can I be of help? What would I do if I get the 1,000 subscriber and the 3,000 watch hours? I was thinking of helping somebody, a young person in Jamaica, to go to college. Yes, support someone who is able to see their dream come true. Helping those who are homeless to even get a warm coat in the time of winter. A warm meal to those who are homeless. Please help that this platform may reach to that mark that I can show you and do. Let you see how far your outreach can reach the unreachable. Near and from far, east and from west, I am one of those who want to make Jamaica a better place, who want to help to build Jamaica, who want to help to fix what is wrong with Jamaica. Jamaica nice. Yes, Jamaica nice. Help us to do this for our country. Not only that, for our communities. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.